Frederick, Virginia.
Becoming light and clear. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, South Central Morgan County, West Virginia, West Central Berkeley County, and the Panhandle of West Virginia.
Uh-oh. Oh, never mind.
At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of Greenwood, moving east at 15 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. 45 p.m. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large. A severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of Greenwood, damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light impact. Damaging winds will cause some. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Include Cape Horn Bridge, Glengarry, Highview, Gainsborough, Highview Manor. Now for the official.
Okay. You are going to W.
Thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Highs in the lower 90s, except in the mid-80s at the higher elevations. The Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, South Central Morgan County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, West Central Berkeley.
Ooh.
Until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of Greenwood, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cape Horn Bridge, Glengarry, Highview, Gainsborough.
Yep, that's what's coming.
Manor, Bloomery, Cross Junction, Rock, Enon Springs, Valley High, Gore, Whitaker, Timber Ridge, and Layou. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
But once it got past that point, it was really hard to